Hello, and welcome to OCL's video tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to use Learn 360 provided by SC Discus. This service is found on the Discus website. There are multiple ways to access this service, but for our purposes, I will navigate using the A to Z List tab. Left-click on A to Z List. Scroll down to L, and you will see the Learn 360 logo. Left-click on the logo, and the service will open in a new tab. As you can see, Learn 360 is an educational resource for grades pre-K through 12. On the top of the page, there's several clickable icons. When you go to click on an icon, make sure to click on the icon itself and not in this gray area around it. Let's look at videos. On the videos page, you can see featured videos in different subject matters. You also have the ability to browse by subject matter. If we choose a video, you can see that for each video, there's a lot of information provided. If you scroll down past the video, you can see that there is a description of the video, as well as what grade levels it's appropriate for, and the runtime of the video. Let's return to the home page for Learn 360 by clicking the icon here on the left-hand side. Now we'll take a look at games and activities. You'll see here that they also show featured selections, such as reading activities, math games, social studies games, and language arts games. You can also look at reading activities and learning games here at the top. If you look at reading activities, you'll see that they are organized by grade level. Reading activities are a great way to practice reading comprehension. These are similar to the style of reading tests that your child may take at school. You read a selection and then answer quiz questions. Learning games are separated by subject matter and can be a fun way to get some practice in for your child. If we navigate back to the Learn 360 homepage, you can see that there's also printables. These give you downloadable PDFs that you can print. Audio is a selection of different sounds that occur in our world, natural and man-made. Maps and flags contain a selection of maps for different countries and even historical maps. They also have images of flags from all over the world. The last selection is STEM lessons. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. Here you'll see lessons on math, biology, chemistry, and physics. For instance, algebraic equations. Here, there is a summary of what the lesson covered. Here we have a brief lesson, and then an activity that they can complete. On the last page, it gives you a summary of how well your child did during this lesson. Learn 360 is a great way to supplement the school lessons your child is already working on while at home. It can provide a chance to practice difficult concepts or to just further their studies. This concludes the tutorial on Learn 360 provided by Discus. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on OCL's Facebook page. Thank you for watching.